Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the Shush Road Protein Cream for dry, damaged hair. This leave-in conditioner is truly a game-changer for anyone struggling with brittle, dry strands, split ends, or hair that's been through the ringer from styling, coloring, or chemical treatments. The Shush Road Protein Cream is packed with incredible ingredients like rosemary extract and vitamin B5, which work together to nourish and restore your hair. It's infused with hydrolyzed silk protein, which coats the hair and helps prevent breakage, while adding moisture and enhancing elasticity. Whether your hair is thick, thin, curly, or straight, this product is designed for all hair types. What's great about this protein cream is how versatile it is. You can apply it to damp hair after washing for that extra layer of nourishment and moisture, or use it before heat styling for protection against damage. It works like magic, providing a smooth, glossy finish without any greasy or sticky residue. Plus, the lightweight formula ensures that your hair won't feel weighed down or heavy, leaving you with soft, manageable hair all day long. Shush Road Protein Cream isn't just about hydration. It's about reviving your hair's health from the inside out. This product is ideal for those who want to protect their hair from heat styling, UV damage, or everyday environmental factors. Its deep conditioning properties make it the perfect remedy for damaged hair, and it leaves your locks looking glossy, silky, and revitalized. Salon-quality results at home are now possible with Shush Road Protein Cream. It's a product trusted by stylists and celebrities alike, delivering that luxurious feel that keeps your hair looking its best. If you're ready to take your haircare routine to the next level, this is the product to try. So, why not give it a go and experience the transformation for yourself?